I made a mistake after my divorce that cost me over $500 in 30 days. And the worst part is, I thought I was being smart. I thought I was protecting myself. I thought I was doing the right thing. I was wrong. And I am about to save you from making the exact same mistake. If you are going through a divorce right now, or you just went through one, do not do what I did. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, because this one video could save you hundreds of dollars. When my divorce was finalized in Canada, I panicked. I wanted to erase my ex from everything, every account, every bill, every connection. So I did something that felt logical at the time. I closed every single account that had his name on it, every joint credit card, every joint bank account, every utility bill with both our names. In 1 week, I closed 4 accounts. I thought I was starting fresh. I thought I was being responsible. I thought I was taking control of my financial life for the first time. But what actually happened was the opposite. That 1 week of closing accounts triggered a chain reaction that destroyed my credit score even further. And I did not understand why until months later. Let me explain exactly what happened, because the same thing is probably happening to women right now who think they are doing the right thing. Here is what closing all my accounts at once actually did to my credit. Damage number 1. My credit history got shorter overnight. Your credit score is partly based on how long your accounts have been open. This is called credit age. It makes up 15% of your total score. I had a joint credit card that was open for 3 years. That was my oldest account. When I closed it, my average credit age dropped from 3 years to 0. Because the only accounts left were brand new ones I had just opened. That single closure dropped my score by about 40 points. Just from losing credit history. Damage number 2. My credit utilization exploded. When I closed 2 credit cards, I lost their credit limits. I went from having a total available credit of $8,000 across 4 cards to only $2,000 on 1 card. But I still had the same amount of debt. So my credit utilization went from 30% to over 90%. Overnight, without spending a single extra dollar. Anything above 30% hurts your score. I was at 90. My score dropped another 50 points. Damage number 3. Closing accounts did not remove the debt. This is the part nobody tells you. When you close a credit card, the balance does not disappear. The account still shows on your credit report. The late payments still show. The debt still exists. All closing does is remove the available credit. It does not remove the damage. So I got the worst of both worlds. I lost the credit limit, which hurt my utilization. But I kept the negative history, which kept hurting my score. I gained nothing and lost everything. Damage number 4. Overdraft fees on the joint bank account. When I closed our joint bank account at TD, there were still automatic payments scheduled to come out of it. Insurance, phone bill, a subscription I forgot about. Those payments tried to come out of a closed account. They bounced. Each bounce generated a fee. Not from TD because the account was closed, but from the companies trying to charge me. Late fees, reconnection fees, penalty charges. In 1 month, I paid over $500 in fees and penalties, all because I closed everything too fast without redirecting the automatic payments first. $500 I did not have. $500 I could not afford. All because I was in a rush to erase my ex from my life. Now here is what I should have done instead. and what you should do if you are in this situation right now. Step 1. Do not close old accounts immediately. I know this feels wrong. I know you want your ex gone from everything. But closing old accounts hurts your credit more than it helps. Instead, call the credit card company and ask to remove your ex from the account, or ask to convert it to an individual account in your name only. This keeps the credit history and the credit limit while removing your ex. If you cannot remove your ex, freeze the account instead of closing it. A frozen account keeps your credit history alive but prevents new charges. Step 2. Redirect all automatic payments before closing anything. Before you close any account, log into every service that charges that account. Phone bill, insurance, subscriptions, utilities. Change the payment method to your new personal account. Wait one full billing cycle to make sure everything switched correctly. Then, and only then, close the old account. I learned this the hard way. You do not have to. Step 3. Close accounts one at a time. Do not close 4 accounts in 1 week like I did. Close one account, wait 30 days. Check your credit score. See how it affected you. Then decide if you should close the next one at a time, 30-day gaps. This minimizes the damage to your credit score. Step 4. Keep your oldest account open as long as possible. Your oldest account is the most valuable thing on your credit report, even if it was a joint account with your ex. Even if you hate seeing his name on it. The longer that account stays open, the higher your credit age, the better your score. If your oldest account is a joint credit card, ask the company to convert it to your name only. Keep it open, use it once a month for a small purchase. Pay it off, let it age. Credit age is a long game. Protect it. Step 5. Track your score every time you make a change. Every time you close an account, check your score 7 days later. If it dropped significantly, you know to slow down. In Canada, you can check your score for free at Borrowell or Credit Karma Canada. In the United States, Credit Karma is free. In the United Kingdom, use ClearScore or Credit Karma UK. In Australia, use Credit Savvy, free. Takes 2 minutes. Do it every time you make a financial change during divorce. If I could go back to the week after my divorce was finalized, I would do everything differently. I would not have closed all 4 accounts in 1 week. I would have called each company and asked to remove my ex first. I would have redirected every automatic payment before touching anything. I would have closed 1 account at a time with 30-day gaps. That 1 week of panic cost me over $500 in fees and dropped my credit score by almost 90 points. 90 points. Gone in 1 week. Because I was emotional and I was not thinking clearly. And that is the real lesson here. Divorce makes you want to act fast. It makes you want to erase everything. It makes you want to start over immediately. But your finances do not care about your emotions. Your credit score does not care that you are angry. The system rewards patience and punishes panic. Slow down. Think before you close. Redirect before you cancel. And check your score after every change. I am sharing this because I do not want any woman to make the same mistake I made. It cost me $500 and 90 credit points. And it took me 4 months to recover from a mistake that took 1 week to make. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel. I post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday about rebuilding your finances after divorce. Next video, I am covering how to budget a loan for the first time after divorce. If you have never managed money by yourself before, that video is for you. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Drop a comment below and tell me, what is the biggest money mistake you have made since your divorce? I read every single comment, and your mistake might help someone else avoid the same thing. I see you. You are not alone. We rebuild together.